Hello, students enrolled in MGF2107, Applications of Mathematics for the fall D-term, Delta, D-term course at Keiser University on the Fort Myers campus. My name's Dr. K. I'm going to guide you through this. First of all, you want to log in on the Blackboard and make sure that you're listed on the roster. Take the certification. There's one question. Get that out of the way. And then you'll see a registration in the announcements and in the student resources folders. There's registration for the Pearson.com website where you'll register for my math lab. The instructions are there. You don't have to buy the textbook. You can just buy the standalone access code. They give you a 2-week free look. You don't have to pay right away, but within 2 weeks you have to pay. I'm not sure if it's $70 or $80. It's reasonable. And that will give you access for not only these 4 weeks, but even beyond that, should you need it. Then also in Blackboard, you'll find a pretest in the Getting Started folder. Make sure you take the pretest. You don't have to study. The grade's not important because it doesn't count towards your total for the course grade. It's just for Keiser University purposes. Okay, as far as there's a calendar also as part of the syllabus, and the calendar is in the student resources also. It's a set of deadlines. There's 9 homeworks and 3 tests. Each set of 3 homeworks is followed by a test. The homeworks are scheduled on a regular basis. There's at least 2 or 3 per week. Sometimes 3. Toward the end, it's 2, but I think there's 3 per week. First one's due Tuesday. If you want to get 100% computation on it. You can wait till Thursday, but then you lose 10%. So any questions you get answered by Tuesday, all deadlines are midnight. So by Tuesday midnight, you can get 100% of the correction. You get 2 chances per question. If you don't finish a question and you answer it by Thursday, then you lose 10% of that question. So if you wait till Thursday, the highest score you can get is a 90, in other words. That's true of every homework. You have a 48 to 72-hour delay in the final due date. The calendar also tells you when to get started on a homework and what sections are covered. Each test covers the 3 homeworks. So after the first 3 homeworks, there's a test that'll be due the second week Tuesday. Now you get 2 chances at each test. If you don't like your score, you can take it again. You got 48 hours to take the test a second time, and the higher score stands. If you do better on the first try than the second try, higher score stands. There's also a practice test available for each test. You can look at that. You have like 12 hours to finish it. You can come back, work it over. You can get help, and you can take notes, get ready for the test. So that's true throughout the course. There's also the KU post test, which is due the last day, the last Sunday. I forget what day that is. It's the last day of class. That'll be 20th of December. So the class ends 20th of December at midnight. Everything's got to be done by then. If you need deadlines to move back, let me know. Email, text. You'll still lose the 10%, but at least you can get a highest score as possible. Also, I'll be doing tutoring sessions on Keiser Live. Keiser Live folder on Blackboard, you enter it, you go to the course room, and I'll meet you there Tuesdays and Thursdays at both 11 o'clock and 5 o'clock. I come in, I wait 10, 15 minutes. If nobody shows, I'm gone. If you show up early. Have your questions ready. The questions have a 3-number designation on my math lab. For instance, it'll be Chapter 3, Section 2, Problem number 5. So just tell me 3.2.5, and I'll work the problem out. I'll meet you and work it out for you in live on Keiser Live, or you can email me or text me the problem number. I will work it out, make a video, and record it, and it'll be on the recordings menu in Keiser Live. So you want to check old. I have old recordings listed in the weekly folders where you can go back. Now what you got to do is copy and paste, and then view it in your web browser. And the last thing is we're going to do face-to-face meetings, and those will be on Mondays. Before Mondays, they'll be at 6 to 8. You can come a little early, but from 6 to 8, I'll go over the whole week's worth of work by doing examples from my math lab or any other questions you have. So the first meeting will be tomorrow. This is Sunday right now. It's Sunday, the 22nd of November. I will meet you all tomorrow night, 6 to 8. So be there or be square. Dr. K, out.